Is it medico-legally safe for a doctor to mention the time and the date when acknowledging documents or handing over documents to patient or patient's relatives? Should hospital protocols include mentioning the time and date on reports for investigations advised? In a recent judgment from the State Commission, an elderly patient was brought to the hospital by the son who was an advocate in a serious condition. The patient was admitted at 11:33 a.m. The patient was examined, investigations were advised. In the evening, the bad prognosis was explained to the patient's son. The patient's son wanted to take the patient home. A Dharma discharge was given, signed by the advocate's son, and the patient was taken home at 11:15 p.m. The patient died at home. 9 months later, the advocate's son filed a case of negligence against the doctors and the hospital. He alleged that the patient died at 6:40 p.m. and the investigation performed was started at 3:17 p.m. and continued till 9:21 p.m., way after the patient had died. This, he said, was done to extort money from him, and this was an unfair trade practice. The hospital in defense stated that the Dharma forms signed by the advocate's son mentioned the time as 11:15 p.m. and patient was alive when she left the hospital. The patient died at home. The court, on perusing of medical records, held the hospital and the doctor not negligent. The court said the time mentioned on the DC was wrong. The Dharma forms clearly mention the time as 11:15 p.m. Friends, it is always advisable to write the date and the time on any acknowledgement of medical records while taking or giving it to the patient or the patient's relatives. Thank you.